Subscribe on YouTube, hit the notification bell, helps me out enormously. This is a vegan, spicy pasta, incredibly easy to make, about 10 minutes preparation time if that. Cut up all your veggies, garlic, chilli, as you can see I'm not chopping it too fine. Slice everything up so it will cook in approximately the same amount of time. So firmer vegetables cut smaller, softer vegetables cut larger, so they cook at the same time. As you can see, just roughly dicing the eggplant. There we go. Throw it all into a non-stick pan. Let it cook down a wee bit. You can see the steam rising off it now. That's after about 4 minutes. Okay. Now we add our liquid, vegetable stock, and Napolitana sauce. Okay. Let that bubble away a bit. I've also put a little bit of water in there. Add the fettuccine that I've warmed through, and then just put on the plate and enjoy.